Hello, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. I welcome you all in your bonus love messages for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, okay, and leave the rest. You can check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, my beautiful magical beings. I don't read reversals, and I've already done your main reading and the extended reading. You can check it out. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. I'm really glad that if you like my videos, you're supporting my channel, you're giving lots of love to the channel. So let's start your extended reading, Aquarius, and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to deliver what are the messages. Existence and we are the world. Yes, right, Aquarius. Universe know that you exist. Okay, you do not have to worry because you're completing some kind of cycle. Don't be more up in your mind because your mind is the worst enemy. If you trap in your mind thoughts and all, you will create a buzz for yourself, I can say that. So don't indulge into your mind thoughts and all, okay? Control yourself and don't indulge in your mind thoughts and all. Don't think a lot, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. That's what I was saying you, that you're completing some kind of karmic cycles, okay? Again, the tower, the thunderbolt, and the completion is there, okay? So you completing some kind of karmic cycle, you just, and the tower is there. The divine is shaking up your life, that they are putting you apart so that your life can become more stable, okay? You're just completing some kind of karmic cycle. The world card is there. Just need to keep your patience. You need to do your healing, okay? You need to do your healing, Aquarius. Healing is there, so complete your healing. And there is something which is there for you, which is beyond illusion, okay? So these are the messages from this deck. So just do your healing, okay, Aquarius. There is some kind of karmic cycle which you are completing it, okay? In your main reading too, there was world card, and here also there is world card in the completion. The tower card was there, and universe know that you exist, okay? Existence is there. So do not worry, trust the universe, trust the divine, and leave the rest. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Help me out to deliver the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Okay, so first card is devil, then there is mountain and death and birth. And bottom of the deck again I'm having fool and world card. You're completing some kind of cycle, Aquarius. And fool is all about taking a leap of faith, okay? Dragonfly. Any other message? Wow. Fire and chariot. Bottom of the deck I'm having cracker, okay? Positive energy surrounds you. Love, joy, and good fortune is waiting for you, Aquarius. So these are the same messages which I was getting for you in your main reading, and the bonus messages are also same. There was some devil energy around you which you need to take care. And don't worry, Aquarius, just take care immediately to avoid any temptation or any deceit, okay? But that thing is ending because there is devil and death, okay? Because that situation is ending, you do not have to worry. And what was devil? That your divine counterpart was exploring other options. They were unable to make a decision. They were not clear in their mind and heart that you were the divine counterpart for you them, but now they are having the clarity. Okay, now they are having the clarity. The Ace of Swords was there two times in the main reading too. Then there is Mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain calm, but remain cautious. Okay, then there is Death and Birth. Both are there and beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. Something is ending so that some new beginnings can happen in your life. And that is the meaning of death. And the birth card is there. Universal energies are bringing you opportunities and possibilities, Aquarius. And the time of natural transition and transformation is happening for you, my beautiful Aquarius. Then there is Dragonfly. Have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal, and connection to spirit. Okay, this is the message for you. Then there is Fire. Okay, let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the present. Beautiful message. Enjoy the present, Aquarius. And the Chariot has come again for you, Aquarius. Today there are 4 Chariot cards for you. Moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Move in a forward direction. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and focused. Okay, the Chariot is there. So these are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. What are the messages? Don't let your past hold you back. 0303 was the recording reading time. That was the message for you. Don't a new romantic cycle begins, and meditate and contemplate. Don't let hold your past hold you back. Okay, basically. Don't let past hold you back. Okay. That was the message I was looking while shuffling. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out. Luck is on your side. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, new moon in Sagittarius. So luck is on your side, Aquarius. Go ahead. Conclusions are within reach. Okay, conclusions are within reach. What are the messages? The energy is gaining momentum. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum. Wow, that's what I was telling you. It's time for you to release negativity is there at the bottom of the deck. And a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. A new romantic cycle is going to begin for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message. A time to give, then take. Don't let pride get in your way. New moon in Virgo and new moon in Leo. Full moon in Leo, sorry. Okay. Don't let pride get in your way. A time to give rather than to take. See, this was the message I was getting for you. Don't let your past hold you back. Very important, Aquarius. Past has already passed. So do not hold too tight your past. Let them go. Let it go. Let it go. So don't let your past hold you back. Have faith in your dreams. Okay. Have faith in your dreams. Your hard work is paying off. Okay. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. And emotions are running high. Beautiful messages for you, super moon. Emotions are running high. A time for healing. Okay, a win-win outcome is forecast. Bottom of the deck I'm having. So right now, some of you Aquarius, you need to do your healing. Heal yourself. Okay. Heal as much as you can. Okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having bring love to the situation. Full moon in Aquarius. Okay. Let it go, let it go. I'm very bad singer. Okay, but I'm getting this song for you. Okay, step out of your comfort zone. Step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius, is your message. Okay, then there is the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. The answers you are looking for, Aquarius, are coming your way. Okay, maybe you want some answers, but and the answers you are looking for, they are coming your way. Show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. That's right. Show the world, beautiful Aquarius, that what is my beautiful Aquarius are. So show the world real you. Okay, a fairy climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. A fairy climax approaches. Then there is end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Okay, the end of a tough cycle approaches. Beautiful messages, Aquarius. Something new beginnings in your love life. The romantic cycle is going to begin. A new romantic cycle is going to begin. Okay, the answers you need are coming your way, Aquarius. Luck is on your side. You do not have to worry at all. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Again, a world card is there. You're just completing some kind of karmic cycle. The fairy climax is approaches, and show the world real you. You step out. You have to step out of your comfort zone. Don't let hold the past, don't let past hold you back. Okay, and the signs which I am seeing right now here, which you can be dealing with, are Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Leo, Gemini, Aquarius, Aries, and Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn, Sagittarius, Libra, Virgo, Leo, Gemini, Aquarius, and Aries. These can be signs which you can be dealing with. Okay, these can be signs which you can be dealing with. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. See, karmic completion. That's what I was telling you, that you're just completing some kind of karmic completion. You do not have to worry at all. Let's see, what are the messages from this numerology deck? Help me out. You need to keep your patience. Okay, help me out to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver. What are the messages? Wow. Wow. Why I'm saying wow. Again, karmic completion. Thank you so much, universe, divine, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Excuse. Okay, so there is some kind of karmic cycle. You need to just time out is there. So just get some time out. Maybe you're working so hard non-stop, so you have to take a break and go out. Okay, and enjoy some time with yourself, with your family, Aquarius. And there is intuition. You are highly intuitive person, highly intuitive sign in all zodiacs. I always tell you. So you have to use your intuitions as much as you can, Aquarius, because your intuition will guide you very properly. Okay, so use your intuitions. Maybe your intuition is trying to tell you something. Any other message? Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having rebirth. Rebirth is taking place for you. Okay, wow. Effort is there. Okay, love is coming your way, Aquarius. Okay, so love card is there for you. Then there is compassion. Wait, compassion and adventure, both are waiting for you. Okay, compassion and adventure is the message for you. Then there is teaching and learning. Okay, So there is something in which you can teach and learn. Teaching and learning is there. Then there is spiritual partnership, love partnership, and new beginnings. Bottom of the deck, I was having rebirth. That's why I was saying that you're completing some kind of cycle. New beginnings are waiting for you. And what new beginnings are waiting for you? Spiritual partnership, and there is love partnership, which is there waiting for you, my beautiful magical beings. And there is health. So 1144 was the recording reading time. Reading time. Take care of your health, Aquarius. Maybe you need to you need to more focus on your health. Your health card is there. Okay, so you are completing your karmic cycles. Completion of a cycle is there. Spiritual partnership and love partnership is there for you. Okay, so these are the messages from numerology deck, and the numbers which can be important for you are 5, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7 is the number. Yeah, 5 and 7, 7 I can see more. 5 and 7 can be an important numbers for you. Okay, thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from this animal spirit deck. Help me out. See the bigger picture, Aquarius. See the bigger picture. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Wow. A bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. What else you want, Aquarius? I'm telling you again and again that rebirth is taking place, and again the bad spirit has come. The rebirth is assured. Okay, that's the guarantee that rebirth is taking place. Sorry, today my neck is not feeling good, so I'm having tea. Okay. Then there is quiet spirit, trust divine detours. Trust divine detours, that whatever is divine is doing for the best. Okay. Turkey spirit, give with gratitude and grace. Beautiful message. Turkey spirit, give with gratitude and grace. Then there is antelope spirit, life is speeding up. Life is speeding up for you, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is grasshopper spirit, take a leap of faith. Fool card energy. Okay, take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith. Then there is hummingbird spirit, be here now. Okay, be here now. Then there is horse spirit, freedom is yours. Freedom is yours. You do not have to worry at all. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having white raven spirit, trust in the magic. Okay. Trust in the magic, Aquarius. Cat spirit, claim your independence, Aquarius. You need to claim your independence. Freedoms is all yours. Okay. Starfish spirit, open to infinite possibilities. Okay. Then there is warp spirit, sometimes life stinks. That's right. Okay. Life stinks sometimes, but it's okay. Why I'm saying that? Because there is panther spirit, reclaim your power. You need to reclaim your power. You are the most powerful signs, Aquarius. Know your worth. Know that you deserve best. You can create miracles. Okay, you are the magician. You can manifest anything, whatever you want to. Lion spirit, be generous of the spirit. And there is I love this card. I love this card. Wow. Beautiful message for you. Swan Spirit, time for a deep dive. Beautiful. How beautiful this picture is. Time for a deep dive, Aquarius. So these are the messages for you from the animal spirit, that you need to be open for infinite possibilities. Okay, Aquarius, trust yourself. Thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from Quantum Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages. Help me out, family. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Intuition and manifestation. Use your intuition, Aquarius, and manifestation is there. Okay, so that's what I was telling you, that you can manifest anything. Okay, your intuition will guide you properly. You just need to use your intuition and do your manifestation. Okay. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having true love. True love is coming your way, and there is professional assistance. So some of you have to maybe some of you need professional assistance, so you can take help from professional assistance. Okay, help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Again, this message has come for you. The family message has come. So Aquarius, 10 of Cups energy, happily ever after, happy family, happy life. Okay, so there is, the next message is present power. Okay, you are having lots of power right now in the present power. Just balance your both sides. Okay, then there is playing it safe and stuck energy. Okay, so you are having a rainbow, Aquarius. You are capable of everything. Just don't be in this energy of stuck energy or the energy of playing it safe. That there are crackers here. Can you see the firecrackers are here? But this girl is waiting here. This man is waiting, is stuck in this car. But this man can get out of this energy because the rainbow is waiting for you. So don't be stuck in this kind of energy. Okay, get out of these energies. Then there is friends and colleagues. So maybe your friends and your colleagues can help you out. You just have to take help from your friends, your colleagues. Okay, then there is courage and peace. Just keep your courage with yourself. Okay, and the peace is coming your way. And bottom of the deck, I'm having great achievement. So these are the messages from Quantum Oracle. Thank you so much, Quantum Oracle, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver passion, Aquarius. Use your passion. Use your passion. You are full of passion. Okay, as career. Okay, career card. I saw career card for you. Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having career. So use your passion as your career. Lighten your loads. Okay, 10 of Wands energy. You can lighten your loads. Release all loads, whatever loads, burdens you were carrying on. Okay, happiness is coming your way. Be happy. Okay, happiness is coming your way. Just release your loads. Yeah, see, prosperity, happiness is coming your way. You just need to release your loads, lighten your loads, Aquarius. Okay, 10 of Wands energy. You have to release your loads. use your talent. You are full of talents, Aquarius. Then there is grieving. Okay, grieving is there. Any other message? Some kind of truth is coming your way. Okay, the truth is coming your way. Then there is strength and compassion. Keep your strength with you, keep your compassion with you. Okay, any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation. Wow. Forgiveness, justice, and manifestation, Aquarius. Some kind of manifestation is happening for you. Wow. Transformation. Wow. Love, reconciliation, and transformation, and that's the manifestation you are doing it. Magician, do you are magician, Aquarius? You can manifest anything in your life. And what are you manifesting? Transformation is taking place, Aquarius. You are getting transformed into beautiful butterfly. Some of you, Aquarius, are getting reconciliation with your divine counterpart. Love is there, so love and reconciliation is happening for you. And again, the justice is there. Justice is being served in your case. And forgiveness card is there, Aquarius. Forgive yourself, forgive others, whatever it was there, forgive them and move in a forward direction. So forgiveness is there. Forgive the people around you. Forgive, if you think that I need to forgive this person, forgive and move in a forward direction. So these are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my beautiful Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Oracle. Purity. You are the pure souls, Aquarius. Be a pure soul. Just focus. Yeah, change is coming your way. Change card is there. Some change is coming your way. Let's see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages. What messages are there? Release. Again, the release message is there. Release all burdens which you are carrying. Release any negativity if you are carrying. Okay, Aquarius, release as soon as possible. Again, compassion is there for you. Okay. Wow. New beginning. New beginning is there, Aquarius. It is waiting for you. Release all hurts, pain, whatever you are carrying, loads on your shoulders, because new beginnings are happening for you. Okay. Centering. Bottom of the deck, I'm having truth card again. Some kind of truth is coming your way, Aquarius. New beginnings are coming your way. There are new beginnings which is happening for you. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Perception. Balance. Balance your shadow self, Aquarius. You need to keep your balance. Some of you, Aquarius, has to balance your shadow self. Okay. Again, the truth card is there. Perception message is there. Harmony and adventure is coming your way. Harmony is coming your way. Adventure is coming your way. And some kind of truth is coming your way. You're getting some kind of truth. So very important message is release, Aquarius. Release any loads you are carrying. Release any past hurts. Forgive whatever has happened. And there are new beginnings which are coming your way. So these are the messages from Vintage Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Vintage Oracle, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see. Let's add one or two messages from this Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? Door to value is opening up. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun. New beginnings in life, Aquarius. So door to value is opening up for you. Okay, financial stability is there. You're getting your offers in your career. Okay, door to value is opening up, and there is healer of the ages is coming, so that you are getting your healing done, Aquarius. The healer of ages is there. Okay, what are the messages? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? See again, sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Okay, you're getting your sixth chakra open, the third eye getting more open, and there is woman holding a coin. So there is someone maybe around you who is trying to give you some kind of money offer. Wow, the sun, the new beginning, sun is there. Okay, they are someone who is giving you, maybe they will give you some kind of opportunities in career. Okay, the woman holding a coin, maybe there is a woman who is trying to give you some kind of money offer or something. Okay, career options, and there is sun, Aquarius. I love this card too. Bottom of the deck I was having angel of love. Okay, new beginnings, Aquarius, new beginnings in life, new beginnings in love. The sun card is there for you. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Please help me out to deliver. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out. Thoughts create your reality, Aquarius. That's manifestation. Let go of ego. What are the messages? Let go of ego. Okay, then there is inspire others. You need to inspire the world, Aquarius. 1111 was the recording reading time. I can tell you that, Aquarius, you are born under the sign of Aquarius, and you are here for a reason on the planet Earth. You have to inspire the world. Okay, so inspire others, inspire the people who are around you. And there is a journey within yourself. Okay, that's the journey within yourself. 1133 was the recording reading time. Yeah, be of service, and your beliefs are right for you. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Follow the golden rule. And what's the golden rule? That whatever you give in the universe will come back to you, Aquarius. Okay, it will come back to you for sure. So do the good karma, do the good with good people, and that will come back to you, basically. Okay, choose love over fear. Choose love over fear. Do not choose fear, Aquarius. Choose love. Okay, any other message? Kindness counts. Okay, whatever kindness you are doing, it is counting, and that's the golden rule, Aquarius. Forgive yourself. That's what there was. Forgiveness message was, forgive yourself, release the burdens with whatever you are carrying right now. And there is like attracts like. So these are the messages from your guides. Thank you so much, guides, for giving beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the messages from self-care cards. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely, beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Passion. Reassured a childhood dream. Let your passion take the flight, Aquarius. Passion is the first message. Okay. Then there is intent. I love the pictures of these cards too. Focus your energy. There is amazing power in strong intention. Okay, intention is there. If you have a good intention, Aquarius, there is so much power in that. Okay, then there is decisions. Honor your top priorities. If it is not an absolute yes, then it's a no. So maybe you have to take some kind of decisions in your life, Aquarius. So you have to take a decisions in your life. That's the message for you. Then there is retreat. Take a mini retreat. Listen to the voice of your soul. 1414 was the recording reading time. You need to listen your inner voice. Any other message? Any other message for my lovely Aquarius? Self-respect. Respect yourself first, Aquarius. You are the best judge of what's right, and that's right. You are the best judge. Basically, you have to respect yourself first. If you don't respect yourself, no one else going to respect you. Okay, then there is blessings. Count your blessings. A grateful heart attracts more joy, love, and prosperity. So you are a blissful person, Aquarius. Count your blessings. Say thank you, God, for giving these beautiful things in my life. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe to my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver. What are the important messages which I need to deliver from the universe? Okay, let's see. What are the messages? You do not have to worry. You need not to worry. Okay, Aquarius, that's the message from the universe, that you do not have to worry at all, Aquarius. Yes, there is no one in your life who has not always loved you. They are all just learning how to show it. Okay, that's the message from the universe, that you do not have to worry at all. See, what you give will come back. Very important message for you, Aquarius. Whatever you will give, it will come back to you. Okay, that's the message from the universe. See me in the eyes. See me in their eyes. Okay. Whenever conferring with another, either face to face or across the miles, whether a human being, departed spirit, or sentient tree, always speak to the highest within them. It makes such a difference, Aquarius. Okay, you have what it takes. Always follow your heart, Aquarius. Unless it's been broken, then you must lead it. Did you know that hearts are never too big to mend, too small to rebound, or too tired to love again? So you have what it takes. Dwell on what you love. Asking someone to change is like pruning a tree. Neither will ever be the same again. Okay, you cannot change anyone else. You can change yourself. Convince yourself, not others. That's right. The need to clarify, explain, or justify oneself in personal relationship is always self-serving. What's important is knowing the truth about why you felt the need, because it often points to insecurities that could dealt with within more effective ways. So convince yourself, Aquarius. Do not convince any other thing, and do something new, something different. Okay. Do something new, something different. Change is always good, Aquarius. That's the message from universe, and change is coming your way. So change is always good. Whatever is changing is good for you. So these are the messages for you. Let's add one or two cards from Fairy Oracle, and I'm going to close it out. What are the messages? Okay. Music and go outside. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm fairies to your door. Okay, so listen to the music, Aquarius. Maybe there are messages. There can be a message in the music. So listen to the music. Okay, then there is go outside. It's time to go outside. Tune into the powerful peace of nature wherever you are, and feel at one with your habitat. So go out in nature, Aquarius. Maybe there is a message in the nature, and there is a message in music. So these are the messages. These are the bonus messages for you, my beautiful magical beings. I hope I help you out in some manner. it will resonate with you, it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, okay? And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, my beautiful magical beings. I am sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my magical beings, to the world wherever you are. Take care of yourself, my Aquarius. See you soon.